Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to Pen and Pad, where we draw some of our favorite characters. Some of them turn out super good and some of them turn out super interesting. So, today's adventure we are drawing Carnage. So, let's jump right in. First we're going to begin with his white scary eyes. We're going to start off with just a diagonal line. Boom, done. And another one on this side. Okay, and let's begin on one side. We're going to come down just a little bit, and then we're going to curve up, then over, then we're going to curl down, stop, curl in, like a hook. Then we want to do a second hook going the other direction. Come out. Straight line, curve around, curve down, and then we want to do is connect these lines together. Okay, and we're going to try to do the same thing on the other side the best we can. So we want that little hook, curl around, curl up, then curl around. Little hook one way, a hook another way. Come down. Curl up. Okay, I know it doesn't look like his eyes completely, but this is kind of his crazy eyes he has. We're going to start at the top of here, and we're going to just make the head. We're just going to come around and connect to there. Boom, done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start right here at the hooks. And we're going to just do a little bloop. One side. On this side. Well, let's keep going on this side. Then we're going to come at a straight angle in. Flat. Stop. Then what we're going to do is curl in. Follow up and around. Stop. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to follow on the outside of this. Do kind of like an outline. This on the inside of this part right here, we're going to do all red. Just not yet. Okay, sweet. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do his crazy teeth. And for this, we're just going to go up and down, 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 up and down. And up and down, 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 up and down. Okay, awesome. Looking good. Then up here, we're going to do for the top of his head, kind of going to do these crazy swirls, and they don't really have to be in any pattern in particular. We just kind of want it to look random and kind of crazy. And we're going to color in this crazy part. We're going to color it all in black. Awesome. There we go. We got his head. Then what we want to do is come up here and do his shoulders. His muscles are kind of coming back, so we got a loop, not a loop, but a curve right there. Curve right there, stop. Then we're going to do some muscles, curve. And let's come on this side, curve. Curve, connect. And we're going to keep going. Another curve. Another curve. And then we're going to do like a triangle like that. Come around for his forearm. And then we're going to draw some really crazy hands. So what we're going to do is over here, come around, do a little point, curl around, curl all the way in, like really long nails. Oh man, look how creepy this thing is. Then we're going to do another really long nail, little jagged part right there. Curve towards the other one. Follow it around, a little jagged close to it. Curl around. Let's do one more. Awesome, that looks really good, and at the same time, super creepy. Let's go around one more time, and then let's get his chest. It's gonna come down like that. Keep coming. Okay, let's just stop right there. Finish off this side. We're gonna do another arm doing that kind of crazy pose. So we're just kind of keep curling like this. His chest comes down and in. We're just gonna kind of come to like a little end like that with his chest. Another one, another loop, another loop. That little triangle. Come down. Come out, come in. Come out, come in. Crazy thumb, so we're gonna go out, curl in, around, and back in. And I find that the more jagged and craziness you add to it, the more scary and real it looks. Just add random little curves to it. In fact, if you have a shaky hand, this is especially good for you. Because that's what we want. We want to add the little detail of creepiness to our drawing. Awesome, that looks so good. Okay, let's get his legs down here. We're gonna actually just do one gigantic curl. Stop. Come around. Stop. We're gonna add his foot. We're just gonna come down, around. Stop. Up and around. Stop. Up and around. Awesome. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Curve, and then what we're going to do is we're going to curve all the way back in. Add a little spike right here. Curve all the way back to this point. Sweet. And then his other leg is going to be extending behind him. So down and up. Down and up. Curl. Curl around for the foot. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to connect this part right here. Curl it all the way back, up and around. Then for the next part, what we're going to do is just add some details in, add some scary blackness to the rest of his body. So we're just going to kind of add random swirls. In fact, I'm going to go really fast and speed this up. Okay, then once we've added enough crazy detail to him, we are going to color him in, make everything look really nice, and bam! Oh my goodness, I did add a few little spider webs to his feet and on the outside, but look how good that turned out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. I really appreciate you watching to the very end. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.